Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to another Z video. So I ordered an intake during the last Black Friday sale from Z1 as I really wanted some induction noise. It felt like the front end needed a bit more noise, as more noise is always good, and so after some research I found that the JWT Popcharger was reasonably priced, simple to install and sounded pretty good from what I was hearing. I was of course realistic about what to expect. I didn't expect a power increase and was doing it purely for the noise and drama, which I was hoping there was lots of. I was also aware that the stock airbox has had lots of R&D done and will likely work the best, but I just couldn't resist. Plus, it looks so good in the engine bay. Installation was pretty straightforward, thanks to a friend that was helping me, and the hardest part was definitely drilling the 2 little holes to secure the heat shield to the plastic air duct. So as you probably could already tell, the difference is actually quite subtle from inside the car. It definitely gets throatier and deeper higher up in the rev range, but it's not something that is very apparent off the bat. It does sound quite loud from the outside though, so you hear it better with the windows down. Honestly though, for the price, I can't complain, and the more I drive the car, the more I like it. It looks great and it does sound slightly better. There's definitely a bit more induction noise to balance out the sound from the exhaust, and I find myself revving the engine out a bit more just to hear the sweet V6 noise. So that's it for now, but there's lots more coming up, so give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.